Hi, I'm Gary. Let's enjoy English together. Today's targets are 1. Opposites, and 2. Phonics, PH, CK, WH, WH, NG, ing, magic E. Let's start the DVD lesson. Next, let's do some actions. Today, I want you to challenge them by yourself, okay? I will give you the gesture and you do the actions.
先生がジェスチャーをするから、あなたは動いてね。
Are you ready? Stand up. Open. Close. Grip. Release. Imagine. Look into. Sit down. Okay, good job. Finally, I will say only the words and you do the actions.
最後に先生は言葉だけ言うよ。あなたは動いてね。
Are you ready? Stand up. Open. Close. Grip. Release. Imagine. Look into. Sit down. Excellent! Next week, I will show you new actions. Goodbye. Hi, it's phonics time. Let's review what we have learned over the last 3 weeks.
今までの3週間で習ったことを復習しよう。
Are you ready? PH is phonics. CK is duck. WH is what? WH is who. NG is ing. King. Magic E is cute. Okay, one more time. Are you ready? PH is phonics. CK is duck. WH is what? WH is who. NG is ing. King. Magic E is cute. Well done. Next week, let's start something new. See you next time.
See you next time.
Who's that? It's time to sing. The name of the song is The Weather Song. Let's sing along with the music together. How's the weather? How's the weather? Look outside. How's the weather? How's the weather? Look outside.
It's sunny.
It's rainy.
It's windy.
It's cloudy.
It's snowy.
It's foggy. It's hot. It's cold. How's the weather? How's the weather? Look outside. How's the weather? How's the weather? Look outside.
It's sunny.
It's rainy.
It's windy.
It's cloudy.
It's snowy.
It's foggy. It's hot. It's cold.
Da 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 da.
Well done. Next time we'll sing a new song. Are you excited? Yes? Me too. Goodbye. It's vocabulary time. Let's review the words you learned last time. It's a little. It's a lot. It's hot. It's cold. It's light. It's dark. It's slow. It's fast. It's soft. It's hard. Next, I'm going to give you a small hint. Try to say the answer before I tell you what it is. Are you ready? What is it? It's light. What is it? It's dark. What is it? It's a little. What is it? It's a lot. What is it? It's slow. What is it? It's fast. What is it? It's soft. What is it? It's hard. What is it? It's hot. What is it? It's cold. Could you say them all? Well done. Hi! It's chance time. Let's enjoy doing the chants. This week I want you to challenge them by yourself. I will do the actions and you speak. Are you ready? Good job! Hi, it's book time. This week is the last time for the story. I will read the story to you in English only. Please enjoy it together with me. The title is Opposites, written by Gary and Akiko. This is big. This is small. It's hot. It's cold. He is happy. She is sad. This is up. This is down. This is left. This is right. These are a little. These are a lot. This is soft. This is hard. The end. How was that? Next week, I will read you a new story. Goodbye.
Hi, my name's Max.
My name is Carla.
My name is Dino.
Now let's play the sound guessing game. Somebody says duck. Guess who? Are you ready?
Crack!
Buck. Duck. Who said duck?
I did. I said duck.
Oh, Linda said duck. Did you get it? By the way, what did you say, Carla?
I said crack. Crack, crack, crack.
I see. How about you, Max? Max? I said buck. Buck. I see. Bye, everybody. See you next time.
Hey, how was that? Now today's DVD lesson is over. Can you remember today's targets? Today's targets were 1. Opposites, and 2. Phonics, PH, F, CK, K, WH, W, WH, NG, ing, and magic E. Don't forget. See you next time. Goodbye.